The exchange of attacks came as the upheaval sweeping the Middle East threatened to expand, in an expansion of hostilities rippling through the region. Pakistan said on Thursday that it had carried out airstrikes inside Iran, a day after Iranian forces attacked what they said were militant camps in Pakistan. The Pakistani Foreign Affairs Ministry said that the country's forces had conducted precision military strikes against what it called terrorist hideouts in southeastern Iran. A senior Pakistani security official, speaking on the condition of anonymity, said Pakistan had struck at least 7 locations used by separatists from the Baluch ethnic group, about 30 miles inside the Iranian border. The official said that Air Force fighter jets and drones had been used in the Pakistani retaliatory strikes. Pakistan's strikes came a day after Iran's surprise attacks within the borders of Pakistan and Iraq, which Iran said were aimed at militant training camps and a response to domestic terrorism. Iranian forces had hit inside Pakistan before, but Pakistan's strikes marked the first time since the end of the Iran-Iraq War, more than 30 years ago, that Iran's airspace had been violated by another country's attacks. In a statement, Iran's foreign ministry strongly condemned the attacks, calling them unbalanced and unacceptable, and saying that the Islamic Republic considers the security of its people and its territorial integrity as a red line. Iran's Minister of Interior, Ahmad Vahidi, said 9 people had been killed in the attacks, including 4 children and 3 women. Speaking to state television, he said that the people were from Pakistan and not Iranian citizens, and that they had been killed when their homes, near the town of Saravan a few kilometers from the Pakistan border, were hit by the strikes. But the foreign ministry also appeared to try to diffuse tensions. It referred to Pakistan as a friendly neighbor, said that Iran did not want to allow enemies to strain the amicable and brotherly relations of Tehran and Islamabad, and said that it distinguished between the government of Pakistan, an ally, and terrorist groups operating within its borders.